Hi, welcome to Fuzzy Dragons, and today I am opening 3 Scrawler boxes. They had a sale because they're shutting down what they're doing with their shop, so it's like, what the hell, I'll get 3. Do I remember what's in them?
No.
Yeah, I know what's in one of them, but other than that, I don't remember. So, I'm just gonna randomly, or we can go 1, 2, 3.
I'm gonna have a rant though first.
What?
Wicker.me, which was great, encrypted messaging service, a bit like Signal and Telegram, but you didn't have to enter a phone number.
I've never heard of it before.
That's what we used it for. Okay. You didn't have to enter a phone number or a email address.
Right.
Well, Amazon bought them a couple of years ago.
Right.
So what have they fucking done? They've shut it down.
Right.
So that they can focus on the enterprise market and build people up the arse.
Okay, I've never, yeah, but I use Signal and stuff, so I don't know anything about, you know.
Yeah, Wicker, the advantage it was you don't need to enter a phone number. Signal,
Okay, fair enough, you have the phone number,
so
yeah.
there's advantages to it when you want to talk to somebody.
Yeah, fair enough, without a phone, yeah, that makes sense.
Well,
Anyway, so, 1, 2, 3, pick a number.
I don't know, 1.
Alright, that's the first one here. And so, turn this over, and I never can open these right. Yeah, see? I can never do it.
Yeah.
It always rips many times. That's twice. There we go. Okay, so. Okay, I know what's this one. This is pastels. I know what this is. This is a, these Scrawler box, and Between the Reef was the thing for February 2022. That's what this was. And I knew what this was. I knew it was, if I can get it open. Yeah, so they're pastels. That I wanted to try anyway. So see, pretty,
Yeah.
Got a water brush with.
More of it? Do you really need any more?
I actually don't have any.
What?
Pastels, watercolors. That's why I got that. So that's what I got for that. And of course, you have that. You have the candy. You have a white gel pen of. So now I've got. I don't have many gel pens. White ones. In the Scrawler zine, which, you know, hey, like I said, I think it's a waste of money. But hey, that's just me. That's actually quite pretty. It is. There's hardly anything to it though. Like.
And?
I don't know. I mean, the one for is an upgrade is quite bigger. So this is by Katie Smith. Quite like that actually. She is from Zurich in Switzerland. That's where she's from. So that's nice. And then of course we have.
I'll give you this abortion.
What is that?
Korean pizza's bad.
What is that?
Brazilian pizza.
That is horrible.
It's like falconelli with pineapple pizza. We in Brazil to deal with this combination. It's got rice in it with olives on it.
Is that a fried egg?
Fuck knows what that is over there. I don't even know.
French fries?
Tomato, French fries, a fried egg,
Spaghetti.
beef maybe,
Spaghetti meatballs.
spaghetti bolognese.
Yeah.
What it is.
That's
that
a horrible
an
pizza.
abomination.
Actually, you know what? Save that. I'll put a picture of the pizza in here so you can see what we're talking
I'll
about.
send you it through.
Yeah, then I can do that. So then we got the Aquapad for the thing is A5, which is fine. This is 10 sheets. Clairefontaine is, what is this? This is, what is this? Cold pressed, green, gold line, green, fine, cold pressed. So yes, it's kind of got a texture to it, which is fine. So that's that one. And this is the candy, which I'll eat later. It's a fizz candy, kind of like gosh, what is the candy called in Canada and the States? It's like this, but it's not called this here. It's Smarties.
Yeah, but they're not Smarties.
No, rollers. They're rollers or something. They're rollers or something. I can't remember exactly what they're called. Yeah. Put that there. So now we have this one. I don't know which one is this one. So we go. This is April 2022. Let's try to do this full thing again. Is it gonna work? Hey, it worked! Yay! Okay, turn this over. And what do we got in here? Oh, pencils. That's what this is. I think it's just pencils. Whatever. I don't care about the tissue paper. So like rip it open like a child at Christmas. Yeah, these are pencils. And another sticker is the tiger stripes. You know, where to go? Tiger stripes kind of thing. Put that here. And we have a Unipin fine line. Oh, it's a brush. Ooh, nice.
Don't wreck it.
No, look how tiny it is.
I know. That's why you shouldn't be allowed it.
I know. It's very nice though.
Like a lead brick.
It's a nice pen look. So yeah. And then we have.
If his hand was any heavier, it'd be made of iridium.
This is a butterscotch candy, so that's okay. Don't mind that. Tissue paper over there. A Factus eraser. It's kind of like those hard ones, but maybe not. I'll give it a try. You know. An eraser, or not eraser. This is a sharpener. That's what this is. I don't tend to use these.
No clue what the fuck.
No, I don't tend to use these. I find they tend to break. I tend to use like these crank handle ones, you know, like this. This was like 2-3 quid in littles, I think it was.
Yes, it was.
Yeah, and then we have 6. What are these? Pencil. Another Derwent pencils. Fine art pencils. Is that what these are? We'll find out. We'll look in the book. Maybe that's what the magazine's good for. 6 colors. Very earthy tones. I like them. They're quite nice. These are quite nice colors. So then, of course, back to the zine. And we'll see. I think they're fine art. It'll say on it. So yeah. These are ChromaFlow pencils. That's what. Oh, I don't think I have these colors. Great, that works. I have some of these. I have 12 ChromaFlows, but I don't think I have these colors. I mean, obviously I have a white, but I don't have the other colors. And then zine, April, and another pretty poster. You know, I could probably put it in a frame by Cecilia. I have no idea how you'd pronounce that name.
Can I see it?
Here,
I'll tell you.
give it to you. You can pronounce that. Cecilia, somebody.
Okay, Cecilia Anchustegui? No. Anchustegui?
Where is she from?
Mexico City.
Mexico, okay.
Guadalajara, Mexico is, she's an animation student at Universidad de Artes Digitales, so
right.
University of Digital Art.
And for paper we
Since
have...
I was a kid, I wanted to work on something really dark, and I love drawing. In the future I want to work, want to work in an animation studio in the United States and also continue improving my art skills.
Good luck with that. And
Instagram, cc_art_studio.
okay, here, I'll put it with the other stuff.
Cecilia Anchustegui?
Yeah. So apologies for the name, but I have no idea.
Anchustegui? I'm going to Google it and see.
It's A5 tone drawing paper. It's very thin though, I think, isn't it? Yeah, it's very thin.
Drawing paper's meant to be thin.
It's very, very thin, so...
Yes, but it's meant to be thin.
I probably won't, use that perfectly. So we'll put this over here, put this here, and this here, and one more box. This one's kind of... Okay, this is August. So let's see if I can do this again. I'm kind of running out of space here. And my desk is actually not that messy actually today. But I can't run out of space. Pull. Oh, yeah. Pull.
Let's try to see if I can pronounce it.
Okay.
Anchustegui.
Maybe?
Anchustegui.
Sure.
Anchustegui.
Tegui.
Okay.
Anchustegui.
That's what we think it may be. Or Google thinks it is.
Anchustegui.
Something like that. So, what's in here? I don't remember. I honestly don't remember what was in this one.
This actually is potatoes.
It's potatoes, yeah. Oh, right! It's just Sennelier pastels that I wanted to try, remember?
Alright.
So it's cheaper. This was free.
Technically,
Technically, it's
buy
cost me
one,
nothing.
get 2 free.
2 free, yes. So technically,
Wasn't
this...
buy 2, get 1 free.
No,
Buy 2,
so
get
technically, this didn't cost me anything. So that's great.
Neither did the previous one.
No, so that's great. So wet paper is acid free. I have oil pastel paper, but hey, I'll give this a try, sure. So yeah, I have wanted to try these for so long, but they're so expensive. It's not even funny. What do we got here? This is a spearmint shoe. Sure, I'll give it a try. I'm not keen on shoes that are spearmints, but an Artis eraser. This is a green one. Non-abrasive erasing. Yeah, okay. We'll try that out. I have lots of erasers, but hey. And then their sticker is green, which makes sense because of pastels. So, hey. And a little smudgy, two smudgy tools, like tortillons. That's what they are. Tortillons. Tortillons. I don't know. People say it different way. I say tortillons, but, I could be wrong. But I've got a couple of these too, but, you really can't have it. Oh, tip. If these get all...
Can you slow down speaking on the sign? Because you're hip hopping around.
And I've had my ADHD meds too. If these tips get dirty, just take sandpaper to them. And then that gets them clean. And then we have a pencil, which is an FB. An FB. Okay.
That means... I can't remember what FB means.
It's a soft pencil, but...
It's fine black.
It's just like... It's an odd... But anyway, okay. We'll use it.
It's a really odd pencil.
That's what I'm saying. No, it's a 5B, not FB.
You need glasses.
No, I have glasses on, but even a 5B, it's really odd. So then...
Actually, here's something really weird.
What?
Oh no, it's a lure. Okay, it's FB. No, a lure for catching fish.
Oh, a lure like a fish. And then see, we have a scroller box again, and then the print, which is another landscape kind of print with the oil pastels. This is by Julia Avasar. Avasar. She is from London. I should be able to pronounce that. Here we go. Take this one back.
Avasar.
That's what I thought.
Avasar.
And we have A5 drawing paper, smooth white.
Okay. Born in London, Fiona based in Israel.
You don't have to read it all.
Which means she probably is Jewish.
Quite possibly.
You can't have to get into Israel if you're not Jewish.
Yeah, that's true.
I was
There's 10 sheets of that. That's okay paper. Print back. Oh, okay. I got caught in the A3 printer, which was behind me. So close that. The pile of garbage to my left. So, bunch of prints, which is good. These I want to try so bad. I will do something this month probably with them. I don't know what. Probably a landscape because that's the colors. Really, they're kind of landscapey colors. Unless I can think of, I think I'm looking at a bird maybe. I'll figure something out to do with these. I have other paper to use if I don't like that. I have bigger paper and stuff. And then all these papers. Okay, those can go over there. I will clean this up when I'm done. So yeah, this is Scroller Box. I might not use the prompts, but I might if I can't think of anything to do. Thanks for listening. We ramble really fast apparently. Apologies. I have tried to settle down, but I can't help it.
too much caffeine's your problem.
I haven't had any today. I haven't had any for 2 days.
Shocked.
Yeah.
No, you flipping.
I had one yesterday, but I haven't had any today at all. So, like, share, subscribe, ring the little notification bell that's somewhere around. I don't know which word it is. It's down up. I don't know. And leave a comment if you want. You don't have to, but it's always nice to if you do. And I'll be back. I don't know when because I don't know when I'm actually putting this up. This could be the end of the month. This could be tomorrow. I haven't actually decided yet. But yeah, I'll be back. If this is tomorrow, I'll be back Friday. No, Saturday. I don't know. Wait, I'll be back sometime. Just ring the little bell to know when I come back. And I'll promise to talk slower. You can always turn the thing down, the slowness down to, like, I don't know, probably like 2 times slower to understand me, which is bad. Okay, bye.